przyjechałem. No tak.
No fajne.
No, nice. Nice. Nice.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller nuggets. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rollin' in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stab me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low for me, my cojones to the big ass bitch I get high.
Just made it to the hotel, checking in, getting taken to our rooms. We're up 2 flats right next to each other. This is gonna be fun.
To za rano zrobi? Tak? No, dobra.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Second day. Last night was heavy. I'm gonna stitch in some clips from last night here. It was messy. I stayed up till like 3 in the morning. I started feeling sick, so I went back in. The boys come back at like 6 in the morning, crazy guys. But yeah, let's see if we can get some quad bikes out and let's hit the mountains. Because look, you ain't even seen the place when it's bright out. Look at all of that. That's mad. Alright man, we've got the drone, so you already know what's going to be happening. Let's see you on the quad. We've got the quad bikes. Can't be wearing a dodgy ass helmet. What the hell? What the fuck? I look like a cannonball. He's just made it to the beach. It's sick. Hey, this is lit, you know. Quad bike down the strip, down to the beach. Hey, let's show you how the place looks like with a drone. Let's get it. Kurwa. What's happening, guys? It's the 3rd day that we're here. Last night was insane and we actually managed to get some good footage, me and my boy Seb. You already know. Where you at?
Hey!
he had his iPhone 13 Pro Max out, so that camera's sick, and I got some good shots on my phone as well. So here's the update from that night. Like you saw, I was a bit mad, and we chilling today. I didn't take the GoPro because I was hanging, and I was chilling at the pool, swam for a little bit. Now we're getting ready to go on a quad, and we're going to take you around the whole island, and you get to see all of it as well. So this should be fun.
They claim they want beef like I ain't in it teed up. I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it. They tell like these niggas won't beat me. They can't. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me. I'm him. I'm a gym in the soil. It's by the time I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture. They more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle. I'm leaving the key in. It's running no meter. I want me a foreign. I need them to see me. Yeah, I know it's my season. My family the reason I be who I'm being. Solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it dole, been taking mines. Niggas scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on a canvas. I been a head case, Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn two ends of the candle. Wanna be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody, now she never did want me. She talking real naughty, nah, I ain't sorry, been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud in this bitch, I'm real rowdy. I'm going off, had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas. I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just my tandem. I do this for life. They just post for the camera. They scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion. I know it's my season. I'm go to the stanza. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. Solid.
This place is so beautiful, man. Anywhere you look, the views are just incredible, man. It's crazy. The water is more or less see-through. You can see the bottom, a little bit deceiving. But yeah, we've just started around a bit of the island. Second spot, I think. And yeah, let's keep it going. See you on the other side. We've left the beach now. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to the Kerry Cliffs now, so we're gonna get a drone up one last time for today because I'm I'm about to run out of my last battery, so yeah, fuck it hell. I'm not gonna lie, this is scary because we're high and then one bad move and we're off. I'm not in control of the quad. What is going on? Oh shit. Why is it so sunny outside? And the GoPro does rubbish in this type of weather. I need to buy some MD filters for when I next go out. Day 4. Now serious trip around the island. We'll go to a nice spot called the Shipwreck, see some cool stuff. And yeah. Bitches, I can see you. Look at them fuckers.
Back in my bag, yo.
Alright.
Conscious.
Let's put some shoes on.
Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hurst. Give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road runner, keep my motor going.
Hey, hey, people feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I bust a nut, she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Niggas love to show and tell, but all my niggas know me well. It was either chase a dream or go to jail, but none of us ain't
And we
going
going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow,
Yo, hope you enjoyed all them shots. It was crazy to see all them nice views. Unfortunately, we had to give back the quad bikes, and now we just got showered and I'm already tanned, nice and brown. Still got a little bit more tanning to do, but yeah, gonna go downstairs to the bar, have some pre-drinks and go clubbing. So yeah, our guy Seb's taking his phone. He's got some cool shots as well that you've seen already on the cinematics and whatnot. But yeah, see you next day.
We the top 10, UGK the major, way not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Bands on road, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah. Yeah, it's top 10. Hey, now I'm in blessed mode, did you forget, bro? Put G.O.D. first and nothing less, no.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr.